Morning all of you. Hope all are doing well. So in today's topics we are going to learn how to represent the sets by using Venn diagrams. So by using Venn diagrams, how to represent is developed by John Venn, a mathematician John Venn. In the name of him, we are calling these diagrams as Venn diagrams. So what is the use of these Venn diagrams? So we learned how to calculate A union B, how to calculate A intersection B, then A minus B, then B minus A complement. When the given some sets, that means in descriptive form or in set builder form or in roster form. Okay, now coming to this Venn diagrams, when whatever the given roster form or set builder form or descriptive form, so we have to change the given set into roster form. Then after that, represent these sets by using diagrams. So generally we use a rectangle to represent universal set. That means U. Sometimes U also will represent as a mu. It is called mu. Means a universal set. So in diagrams, universal set will represent generally by using rectangle. That means all the elements will be in this rectangle. To represent sets separately, we use circles. Set A, set B. Once again, to represent sets, we can use diagrams also. This method of representation by using diagrams introduced or used firstly by John Venn. And the name of Venn, we are calling these diagrams as Venn diagrams. In Venn diagrams, universal set generally will represent by rectangle, and the sets separately will represent by using circles. And so much time will take to calculate A union B, B union C, A minus B, B minus C, and so on. But by using Venn diagram, in one diagram only, look how easily we can say if U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 20. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Then, by using this Venn diagram, it is U. That means universal set. In this one, all the elements will come, sir. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 20. A means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And B means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So just I shown here universal set by using rectangle, and remaining elements will be outside of this circle. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 used. So 16, 18, 19 and 20. So in universal set, all the elements will come. What are the elements in A, what are the elements in B, and remaining elements also it will come in universal set. It is represented by rectangle. In set A, what is given list here? Those are all will be in set A. So that is shown by using one circle and one more circle I used here to represent set B. So in that circle, what the elements will come? What is given in set B. So this is the process of representing sets by using diagrams. That means by using Venn diagrams. And now how to calculate A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A, and also complement of the given sets. Now one more example I will take. U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Up to 10 the natural numbers I have taken. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have taken. And the given information how to represent by using Venn diagram I have shown already. So represent now. First rectangle. It will show universal set U or mu. Now set A. What are the elements in this one? 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 are the elements in set A that I shown in circle. And now coming to B. In B, what are the elements? 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 are in A. And now in B, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So by observing this 7, 8, 9, that means 3 elements are common in the both. So that's why one more circle I will draw. Overlapping set. That means common elements in the both I am taking in this part, and the remaining elements 4, 5, 6 are separated. What I did here, first I drawn separately. Observe here, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 is common in the both. So that common part I have drawn. Overlap. So this one I am naming as B. And the remaining elements in U. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 taken. And one more left, that is outside I am writing. Now in the universal set, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And in the set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. In set B, elements are 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. Clear now? Yeah. Now, by seeing only we can tell what is A union B. A union B means all the elements in A and B. We know that one. All the elements. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is A union B. A intersection B means we know common elements. So common element part is this one. This is common part for both the sets. By saying only we can say, so this is common part. So common part elements are 7, 8, 9. A intersection B is equals to 7, 8, 9. So it will reduce the time for calculation. Need not to calculate, need not to observe. Just by seeing diagram only, we may say A union B and A intersection C, A intersection B, and moreover A minus B. A minus B means the element should be remains in A, not in B. It means only in A. not in B. These three elements are in A as well as in B also. But A minus B tells us that the elements which are belongs to A only, not to B. If any element in A belongs to B, we have to remove that one. So remove these elements which are also belongs to B and only belongs to B. A elements are 1, 2, 3. So that means this part. So represent A minus B. And now coming to B minus A. B minus A means the elements which are belongs to only B, not to A. If any element in B belongs to A, so we have to remove that one. Only B elements we have to write. Actually, this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all 7, 8, 9 belongs to B. Moreover, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 also belongs to A. So commonly 7, 8, 9 is there. A B minus A means only belongs to B, not to A. So these three belongs to A also. So remove those three and remaining only belongs to B elements are 4, 5, 6. Look, by observing only in one diagram, 4 problems we solved here. One is A union B, another one A intersection B, another one A minus B, another one B minus C. Just by seeing. So this is the use of Venn diagrams. So it will reduce time and easy for calculation. And the next step, how to calculate the complement of set. So take U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And A as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And what is A dash? Means universal set. Use rectangle. The elements are 1 to 10. In the set of A, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All will comes. Including A, all will comes. Universal set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what is A dash? A dash means A complement, which means the element should not belongs to A other than A. That means U minus A is A dash. We know already this one. Complement. The elements which are belongs only to universal set but not to A. So clearly the elements which are belongs to A are not the part of A dash. That means other than these elements, what will remain, those are all A dash. So that is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Actually, how we will do? We have to write universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From that we have to subtract A. That means 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So then we will get as 1, 2 is common, remove. So 3, 4 is common, remove. Next 5, 6 is common, remove. 7, 8 is common, remove. Next 9, 10 is common, remove. So we will get by calculating, without calculation, directly by seeing the diagram, we can say complement of the set also. And the next solving problems on this topic. The last topic in this chapter. The next exercise, problems in exercise 1.4. The first one is given as